Typewriter Push Ups. Begin in the up position of a push-up, arms extended, back and neck in a straight line, and core tight. This will be your starting position. Descend into the bottom position of the push-up by flexing at the elbows into a 90-degree position. Lean and shift your body weight to one side by attempting to place your shoulder on your palm. Simultaneously extend your opposite arm into a straight line. Your bent arm may move slightly to accommodate your other arm fully extending. This is okay. Next, transition your way to your opposite arm, repeating the same motions. Once completed, this is one repetition. Save this post so you can try it out.